y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I wanted to do a review and tutorial on a new e.l.f. palette. This is called e.l.f. Retro Paradise. This is like a Bahamas vacation themed palette. I'm going to open it for you guys. So this is the colors. Hey y'all, so for today's look, I'm going to focus on the palette. I'm going to do like a vacation Bahamas tropical theme look. So stay tuned and keep on watching. And once again, this is the palette. So next, we're going to jump right into the look. Y'all, my eyebrows looking like twins. And anyway, whatever. We're here for the eyeshadow. Sometimes it'd be like that. So I'm just gonna go in with my P. Louise base. This is in this color Rumor 0.5. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with that. All right, so I have my face primed. Hey y'all, so just a small disclaimer, I do have a mohawk, so if you see my edges looking crazy, that's why. So I want to stay in the same theme as the palette, so I want to stick to like a vacation paradise Bahama type theme. So I'm not sure what colors I should gravitate towards. This palette has warm and cool tones, so I'm trying to think what I should do, y'all. So I really want to use this shade right here, which is called Spiced. This shade is very sexy. It's a coral color. It screams paradise to me. And I also want to use this shade right here called, I'll just hold it up, this one right here. So I want to add spice right here in this area, and I'm going to see how that looks, because I might do two shades in the background. I just want to see how this applies. Oh, okay. That was kind of thick. I should have did a light. I put it on too thick, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this eye, and I'll be right back. All right, so I added that coral shade called Spice, and I want to go in with this shade and put it on the rest of this. I want to feel like I'm on vacation and I'm going out to the beach later on. So I want my makeup to mimic how the theme of this palette is. So I'm going to dip into that. So I want to get fun and funky. So I think it's safe to cut my crease. So I hope you guys Monday is going well. I know right now it's a crazy time, so it's hard for some people to, you know, to be positive. Some people don't have jobs right now, so hopefully this video can like help you get away from it, like a temporary like getaway, to have some type of normalcy. So excuse this mirror, I'm going to have that right here while I cut my crease. And since we're on that subject, what things do you guys do to try to keep, you know, staying positive during this time right now that we're in? Like what hobbies or what type of activities are you doing to remain positive and try to, you know, have normalcy during this crazy time? I know some states are open, but you know, the damage has already been done in some states. But yeah, just comment below and let me know, because I'm really I really want to know. It is a crazy time. We have other stuff going on, like with riots and stuff, so it's a really emotional time. And also on another note, I did finish school. Now I'm just waiting for my license to get posted. And you know, I'm one of the folks who couldn't have like a graduation, but to be honest, as long as I graduated, that was really my main concern. I can celebrate with family during personal time. I really didn't need a graduation, but I know as far as people with kids, they wanted to have that moment with them, so that kind of sucks because I would be bummed out. Sorry, y'all, gotta focus. I would have been bummed out if I had like a child who couldn't have their graduation, because you know, that's a moment that you take pictures for and whatnot. I decided to do my own graduation photos because I looked online and I did a Google search online. And a lot of these companies that does take photos, it seems like they're by word of mouth, because when I looked on Google, I had only seen 2 places by a Google search, and they were all, I think some were not even open. So to get back to the palette, so as you can see, I did that orange and that pink color. So I want to keep it like in a happy, fun vacation vibe. And these golds are so cute. So I definitely want to use this one, but I want to use this at the end of my lid. But I don't know what I want to use in the beginning part. I think I want to dig into this color right here. This looks very fun. I think I want to dig into that. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This shade is so cute. I should have just did my whole lid this color, but I want it to be fun. We're on vacation, remember? The only thing I'm missing is a drink. Wow, this matches really, really, really into what that orange shade is. Do we feel like we're on vacation yet? So I wonder if I should dip back into this orange right here and blend. I wanted to do a brown, but I think that's going to take away. And also, did any of you guys like accomplish any goals while we had this downtime? Did you guys like work on like small little goals, like, you know, like anything, like better skincare, finishing like school online, like, you know, I think this is the best time, since we all have a lot of time, because we know you're stuck in the house. You have more time to reflect on things. So I just want to know, have you guys worked on anything or any improvements, so when the city does open up, you know, you don't feel like you just wasted your time just sitting in the house. So next I'm going to finish this eye and I'll be right back. All right, so this is how my eyes are looking. I feel good about this. I really like this. This looks very funky and cute. So next I'm going to go in with my eyeliner and I'll be right back to show you guys, and then I'm going to have my lashes on. So I'm probably going to have my lashes on to show you, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I put on my lashes. Hopefully you guys can still see this gorgeous eye look. The lashes that I'm wearing are beauty supply stores. So I'm going to jump into doing my face. I'm going to do my face off camera because I really want to focus on this palette. So I'll be right back. All right, so my face is done. I have my lips lined. I want to use my fade, which is Kat Von D. I'm using Crucifix and I'm using Lolita 2. Pop in. All right, so I am back. I think I want to do my under eye. I'm sorry, I was reading a live stream right there. Just give me a notification. But yeah, let's get into flow. So I think I want to use the same color called Spice for my under eye. Now, we didn't finish the conversation, but I wanted to say this. If you didn't, you know, use the free time, or if you did have free time and you didn't use it, just keep in mind that it's not too late for you to do what you need to do. So don't use this time to dwell and become depressed. Make sure you keep doing something that's positive, that's going to keep you happy during this crazy time that we are going through. So it's very important to keep your mental very high and very strong, and also keep your frequency as high as possible by keeping great positive thoughts. And one thing that I see people make mistakes on, they worry too much on other people's progress. Once you stop worrying about other people's progress and worry on your own progress and how you are getting things done, you will be better off. Focusing on comparing your progress to other people's progress is just not healthy, and it can be discouraging, it can be uplifting. It's just best to just worry. I messed up right here. It's best to just worry and stay on your own lane. So I'm gonna go in with my mascara. I just want it to be like a light. I just want it to have some type of color. I'm just used to putting color right here. And also keep in mind, it's okay for if you have mistakes. Just make sure you try to make it, you know, as minimum as possible. Don't use that as the excuse to keep making continuous mistakes. So I wanted to end this video on a great positive note. So just stay positive, and with any situation that you are in, worry about your own lane, and also be positive to others. Just overall, just keep positive vibes and maintain it and protect your peace. So that is all that I have to say about that. Let's move on to the palette. I almost forgot about the palette, y'all. So I did say I wanted to do swatches. I didn't want to make this video so long, so this right here is a quick view of the swatches. Hey y'all, so my final thoughts on this palette, I give it an A+. All the shimmers that I used, they worked pretty well. They looked it really good. The mattes worked it really well. It was just like the pans. Some colors were lighter than most, but as you refer to the swatches and look at the palette, you can see that it has a great value. I am very impressed by this palette, and I do recommend it. Thanks for watching to the end. I really appreciate it. If you are watching to the end and you have not subscribed, girl, what you doing? What you doing? Join the family. So thanks, y'all. Bye.